Hello friends, this is RQ. A hearty welcome to all viewers to my channel RQ Civil Nirman and request like, share and subscribe my channel. But before going to discuss, let's talk about yesterday's GK question and the answer is OPC, Ordinary Portland Cement, and PPC, Portland Pozzolana Cement. And the next question is what is the initial setting time of this cement? Now let's move on to discuss about best 20 MCQ questions on building construction. So my first question is the auger borings are not common. Option A, in soil that require lateral support. Option B, in cohesive soils. Option C, in soft soils. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option A. Question number 2. The pile provided with one or more bulbs in its vertical shaft is generally known as option A, under ream pile. Option B, friction pile. Option C, bearing pile. Option D, sheet pile. And answer is option A, under ream pile. Question number 3. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, isolated footing is provided under column to transfer the load safely to soil bed. Option B, column footings may have steps or projections in the concrete base. Option C, heavily loaded column base must be provided steel reinforcement in both directions. Option D, all the above. And answer is option D. Question number 4. In any good staircase, the maximum and minimum pitch respectively should be option A, 90 degree and 0 degree. Option B, 75 degree and 30 degree. Option C, 60 degree and 10 degree. Option D, 40 and 25 degree. Answer is option D. Question number 5. Raft foundation are generally preferred to when the area required for individual footing is more than option A, 25% to total area. Option B, 30% of total area. Option C, 40% to total area. Option D, 50% of total area. Answer is option D. Question number 6. According to National Building Code, the hydrant in water mains is provided at minimum interval of option A, 50 m, option B, 60 m, option C, 70 m, option D, 90 m. Answer is option C. Fear and deodar. Answer is option D. Question number 14. The raft slab is projected beyond the outer walls of the structure by option A 5 to 10 centimeter, option B 15 to 20 centimeter, option C 25 to 30 centimeter, option D 30 to 45 centimeter. Answer is option D. Question number 15. In grillage foundations, distance between flanges of grillage beam is kept option A 40 centimeter, option B equal to flange width, option C twice the flange width, option D maximum of A, B and C. Answer is option C. Question number 16. The cell of a common wooden partition is option A vertical wooden member on either end, option D lower horizontal wooden member, option C upper horizontal wooden member, option D intermediate horizontal wooden member. Answer is option B. Question number 17. The important test to be conducted on a stone used in docks and harbors is option A hardness test, option B workability test, option C weight test, option D toughness test. Answer is option C. Question number 18. The member which is placed horizontally to support common rafter of a sloping roof is answer option A purlin, option B cleat, option C button, option D strut. Answer is option A. Question number 19. A covering of concrete placed on the exposed top of an external wall is known as option A cornice, option B coping, option C frieze, option D lintel. Answer is option B. Question number 20. The bond in which heaters and stretchers are laid in alternate courses and every stretcher course is started with a 3/4 brick bat is known as option A English cross bond, option B Dutch bond, option C monk bond, option D rat trap bond. Answer is question option B. So viewers, if you like the video, like, comment and share to near and dear. And do not forget to subscribe my channel RQ Civil Nirman. Thanks for watching.